हे गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर वीडियो। तो आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताने वाला हूँ रिलेटेड टू हाउ टू अर्न मनी ऑनलाइन विथ Shopify. So what basically is Shopify? You have to understand it. So if I click here, what is Shopify? It is basically a dropshipping platform. Now, many people compare e-commerce with the dropshipping because dropshipping is the best successful business that is really top class business. Now this thing is called Shopify. It's its logo, okay? So this is mainly its logo. You can say it, this e-commerce company, okay? So I'm gonna delete this for now. Now what basically how you can earn money online? You can order things from your shops, different, like you have your shops in different your areas. You have to buy cheap things from there and sell it extremely expensive on Shopify, because the people who buy online, um, because they want that you get a thing that can that could be more effective and expensive and easy for them to like explain it, okay? So Shopify store earning, if I just look in 2019, Shopify annual revenue was nearly $1.6 billion, and for the average 45% of their total revenue is given to average seller. So I've clicked 1.245%. Look, it's given it to like this. If I copy it and is to paste it, come here, bro. Bro. This is basically the earners scan, and if you, for example, there's 100 people working and there is $1,000, then they'll get equal amount of money. Bye bye.